All right, folks, we're going to look at how to address a MODBUS off of a NCR radar. Unlike a lot of people think it's a bin disk on top, but actually you have to plug it into a mini USB port and bring it into your laptop. Then we're going to download a Pactware platform, and we're going to give you a link to that at the bottom of this video. So we're in that particular software. It takes a minute or two to get that thing to roll in, but we've got it open. First thing you'll see here is that we have a USB clicked, and we're going to press start. And now it's going to talk to that sensor and figure out what it's got so it can be manipulated within this platform. And this will just take a second. Okay. And we're going to hit that middle button called extended adjustment. And we are going to go, once it's done spinning, there's our happy spinner. Isn't that fun when things spin a long time? Stick with us. The ending's going to be really exciting. Okay, now here we are, and we found this toolbar, and we're going to change the device address here. And we're looking at number 1.
Whatever, if you're replacing a device.
If you're replacing a device, you could choose another number.
Just whatever, based on your use case.
So based on our case here, we'll just call it a number 3. Press finish. Okay. And we are good to go. And our MODBUS address has been changed to number 3. And that'll get you going.